You can't even sit in peace. Cause all of you.
Hey YouTube, it's the Real J Doll here on the Real J Doll's channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a quick, cute rubber band updo. I have a little weekend trip coming up to Atlanta. It's the night before, it's 11:25, and oh my gosh, we've got to get this thing rolling. So to achieve this look, I used rubber bands, braiding gel, a rat tail comb, some clips, water, extreme wetline gel, and I also used some clip-ins to give it a little pizzazz. There was no sponsorship in this video, so I will not be giving them credit, but I did use clip-ins. You don't have to if you don't want to. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the first steps.
It's no pressure, girl. If you got time.
Okay team, so the first thing that I did was saturate my hair with hot water. That just makes it a little easier for me to actually part my hair. And then I'm going to do one part straight back. Now not all the way to the back of your head, probably about like halfway, maybe a little less than halfway. And then I'm going to do one part straight down to my ear on one side, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. It took me a couple times to get it right, but as you can see, straight back, there we go, then to the side.
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need.
So I'm going to start with the right side of my hair and split that in half. Once you find your halfway mark, you're gonna go ahead and start parting pretty much that whole, little section that we just made and part it in half. Oh, Jesus, look at the naps. Oh, make sure the part is clean and then tuck that other side away.
Beautiful girl, you stainless. You'll be fine.
So I like to use the gel to go over my parts just to make sure that they're clean and to reduce flyaways. I'm going to do a part vertically down the middle and then apply the gel, of course, again.
The 10,000 building, get your ass in the apartment, put you inside a G.
I know, right?
Just a starter kit.
What's going on?
I don't know, it's just getting worse and worse when it comes to packing.
We got your grandma up there, girl.
Prince Charming, disappointment, I stay expecting it.
So now at this moment, I'm trying to separate my baby hairs from the actual hair that I want in the style. Now, let me please, y'all, let's address this now. I cannot stand when people have their hair pulled out as edges for a style. Like, come on, you see how long I'm stretching? That is not a baby hair. Come on, let's just be realistic with ourselves. If you got it, you got it. If you don't, you don't. Now, I don't like the look of long baby hairs. Dramatic sometimes is okay, but like the long, that's just not it. But right now I'm using the braiding gel to, separate the sections, and then I'm going to split this in half, as you'll see here in a couple seconds, and rubber band them off.
Clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked, but that come with being attached. So how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, more than you need. It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Okay people, so to get the crisscross effect, follow me, I'm gonna take the top right and bring that down to the bottom left. For this one, I just went straight back, but when I went from the bottom right to the top left, I twisted it. Honestly, follow me. I did this unintentionally. That first one really should have been twisted, but by the time I put in the rubber band in the back, I didn't feel like, undoing it and retwisting it. So I twisted this. Why did I twist it? I twisted it because having it twisted, I feel like Oh my gosh, embarrassing. But I twisted it because I feel like in a twist, your hair is less likely to get frizzy than it would just being out. So I twist the other ones, but for this, and then on the opposite side, of course, so it can match, I didn't twist it. I hope that makes sense, but if not, you got the visual right here. Come on, people. Replay it if you need to.
It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me. And I ain't worried about them. Girl, you all that I see. And I am who I am. And I be where I be. If you ever hit me on a late night, I'll give you a clear mind. Might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me.
Okay, so I just wanted you guys to breathe a little bit and watch the visuals, but if you didn't catch it, all I've done up to this point was did 2 twists straight back on each side for a little razzle dazzle to the hairstyle, and then I split my hair vertically and then horizontally, or horizontally and vertically, however you want to put it, for this middle section. And I'm just gonna do the same thing I did on each side. So I took the first 2 sections, or the ones that are in the front, twisted them, and then added them to the section diagonally to the back. And then once you finish with this, you now have 3 sections that look the same and are crisscrossed. Very cute. So I'm just gonna pin this section up so that way I can create like some leave out in the back, so when I put my clip-ins in, I can use this to cover up the actual clips, and it'll give it a very natural look.
New piece around my neck is chess games, cause shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it.
You wanna go? Talk about episode
Very nice.
This man, y'all. Talk about.
I want to apologize to him because you did try to tell me in the beginning, but I just hope you really do step up in her life because she really needs it.
This. Okay, come on, let's stop it, Sal. This man talk about. I just got on top of her and I said I can't do it. Come on!
Magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she...
And we are at the end of this tutorial. All I'm doing now is using a few products to help define my natural hair, and then I'm just going to add in my clip-ins. I did, as you can see, leave a little section of my natural hair out at the bottom of my hair, just so that way, like if I decide to put my hair up in a ponytail, which I did, then it'll look a little bit more natural to help cover up the clip. So yeah, just putting in the clip-ins, you know, nothing too fancy right here. Make sure you take them all the way up as high as you can. And it doesn't have to be perfect, guys. I mean, come on, if anybody's that close to your head, then they need to back up and mind their own. Next, I am defining my hair strand by strand with the Extreme Wetline Gel, so that way I can match the texture of the clip-ins that I use. I'm going to lay my edges and call it a day. I really hope you guys enjoyed this easy tutorial. Let me know if you decide to recreate it. Tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see. And I hope you all have a good one.
Wasted with me.